Chicken Mumtaz. Let's make delicious chicken Mumtaz. We have a chicken chopped, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes. Add oil in pan and chopped onions, onion. Add garlic and ginger. Chopped tomatoes, tomato. Fry lightly. Now we will remove everything from the pan. Add the chicken to the same oil. Cooked well. Make a masala for chicken Mumtaz. Add paste of all things. Mix well. Now add salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Grind it. Add in it. Add yogurt. Mix well. Add dry fenugreek for a good smell. Now add butter in pan. Proven green chilies and thinly sliced ginger added. Cooked lightly. Add in it. Ready for eat delicious chicken Mumtaz. Har dil aziz. Alhamdulillah. Thanks for watching.